Are you in need of a getaway? A place where you can relax, learn, and unleash your creativity? Look no further than the Nome Schoolhouse, your perfect retreat destination. Nestled in the heart of North Dakota, the Nome Schoolhouse offers an extraordinary experience for those seeking a unique escape from the everyday chaos. Step into a world where beauty, tranquility, and inspiration intertwine. Picture this, a beautifully restored schoolhouse, surrounded by vast farmland as far as the eye can see. It's a sight that will take your breath away and transport you to a place where time slows down and your imagination runs wild. At the Nome Schoolhouse, you can connect with nature and meet our friendly sheep and alpacas as they graze peacefully in the fields. Experience the joy of communing with these gentle creatures and witness their playful interactions. Seeking a space to work on your creative projects? Look no further. Our spacious schoolhouse provides the perfect environment for you to delve into your artistic endeavors. Whether you're a painter, sculptor, or writer, the possibilities are endless. And for all you fiber enthusiasts out there, we have something special just for you. Visit our on-site fiber mill, where you can witness the magic of transforming raw wool into exquisite yarn. Let your fingers glide through the soft fibers and experience the satisfaction of creating something truly unique. But the Nome Schoolhouse is not just about indoor activities. Venture into the great outdoors and explore the wonders of nature. Kayak along serene rivers, hike through picturesque trails, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the nearby state park. There's no shortage of adventures to embark upon. When you're ready to unwind, simply relax and bask in the awe-inspiring surroundings. Let the gentle breeze caress your skin as you find solace in the peaceful ambiance of the Nome Schoolhouse. And here's the best part. The Nome Schoolhouse offers a range of luxurious amenities to enhance your experience. Our unique guest rooms, each with a private bath, provide a comfortable and intimate retreat where you can recharge and rejuvenate. Hungry after a day of creativity and exploration? Indulge your taste buds with our amazing cuisine. Our talented chefs create culinary delights using locally sourced ingredients, ensuring each meal is a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Looking to unwind with a drink? Our bar offers a wide selection of beverages, from handcrafted cocktails to local craft beers. Sip your favorite libation and mingle with fellow guests, sharing stories and laughter as the evening unfolds. And here's the best part. The Nome Schoolhouse is available for you to host your own arts and crafts retreat. Gather your friends, colleagues, or fellow creatives and let us provide the perfect backdrop for your next creative endeavor. We'll take care of the details while you focus on what truly matters, letting your imagination soar. The Nome Schoolhouse is calling, inviting you to create your own unique experience. Don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity. Come and explore all that the Nome Schoolhouse has to offer. Visit our website at nomeschoolhouse.com and book your retreat today. The Nome Schoolhouse, where relaxation, learning, creativity, and luxury unite in perfect harmony.